So this is a flexible frame for a tetrahedron. It's based on the one I came up with for a cube just a few days ago, but this time I've had to fold sides so they flex. It's a little bit different. But the nice thing is that you can make a really large frame and use a tiny amount of soap liquid. So first of all, you have to be careful opening out. Once you've dipped it, folded, dipped it, and then I put these slides on it so that you can slide the little extra straws down to hold the bendy bits in place. So if you do it gently, you can get them to come quite nicely. So that holds it, and then with your fog machine you blow into it and you make a very nice large tetrahedron. And then you can do various things with it, wobble it around and throw it around or whatever. Or if you've got a wet hand, you can put it in and take hold of it, and if it's small you can get all of it out, but if it's big then you can take it out little by little and blow away the bubbles. But one of the nicest things I like about it is that you can actually show the tetrahedral angle. That's the angle that the soap films meet at the very center. By squashing it all together, now you've got to position it in the right way so all the straws on the four angles are the same distance from each other, and that will be exactly, if you do it right, 109 degrees and 28 minutes. They should all be the same. That's the tetrahedral angle, and you've done it just by doing that. And if you opened it out, you'd find it was a tetrahedron. So that's it. That's my method. And here's some details about how to make it and where to find the cube if you want to look that up. It tells you a bit more details about how to make this kind of thing from bendy straws.